Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video with some quite exciting news, and that is because we have finally received the official pricing that the DJI Mini SE will be having. We have talked about how this could be the cheapest DJI drone yet, but well, today we have the official pricing, and we're going to be also talking if there will be just only one version or if there will be the base version and the fly mode combo. Guys, today's video is going to be quite exciting, but before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the most recent and most relevant drone news no matter what. And also, we're in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed to the channel, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family so that you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away from anymore, guys. So with that being said, why don't we go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, the DJI Mini SE, a brand new drone from DJI that literally came out of nowhere. It was leaked a couple weeks ago thanks to Walmart, but at that point in time we only had some images and we did not have the official pricing. There was a rumor going around that this could become actually the cheapest DJI drone to date, and well, today we're going to be giving you the exact pricing. But before we do so, let's first get a look at what this DJI Mini SE will be looking like and the specs that it will be having real quick right here on screen, guys. There we have the DJI Mini SE. This is basically a DJI Mavic Mini 1 in the inside and a Mavic Mini 2 on the outside, because it has some aspects from the DJI Mini 2, although not all of them. For example, you don't have that LED light at the front, which is something that a lot of people liked, but well, we're not going to be getting that with this new Mini SE. Now, inside of the drone, we're going to be having pretty much the exact same specs that we found on the DJI Mini 1. We're going to be having 2.7K resolution, 12 megapixel images, a 1/2.3-inch sensor. The sensor will stay the same size, it's exactly the same. We also do get our same quick shot that we had with the Mini 1. We also have 1080p resolution, as well as a 2.5 mile range or 4-kilometer range. Now, let's talk about flight time. Will the flight time be increased? No, the flight time will stay the same. It will stay at 30 minutes of flight time, which is now pretty standard for a drone in this age. Now, let's go ahead and talk about do we have return to home? Yes, we do have return to home. And let's talk about transmission system. Will this drone have aux-sync 2.0 or will it have Wi-Fi like what we found on the previous Mavic Mini 1? Well, at this price point, guys, we will not be having aux-sync 2.0. We will be having Wi-Fi, so it will be pretty much the same transmission system that we had on the DJI Mavic Mini 1, giving us 4-kilometer range, which was the same thing that we found on the DJI Mini 1. So Wi-Fi transmission system, guys. Now let's talk about release date. This drone will be releasing June 30th worldwide, except for Japan, so we're basically 2 weeks away from seeing this new drone from DJI. Now let's go ahead and talk about what all you are here for, guys, the pricing. Well, we have talked about how this could become DJI's cheapest drone yet. Now, we have not received the pricing until now, and that is because someone in a Walmart store actually found the card that contained the DJI Mini SE with the price tag, guys. So why don't we just go ahead and take a look at what this new drone from DJI will be costing right here on screen, guys. And there we have it. Well, $299. What do you think about that, guys? So this will be the price for the base model that will which will include the basic stuff such as your drone controller, extra props, pretty much it, guys. That's gonna be pretty much what you're going to be getting with this drone. But for $299, guys, I think that the price point is really good. This is going to become the cheapest DJI drone to date, and this is really good because this drone is going to be directed towards the masses, for those entry-level pilots or also people that are looking to get a backup drone for a cheap price. This is an excellent option as well. So definitely this drone will sell exceptional. Now, a lot of people were saying, well, could have DJI just lowered the price on the Mavic Mini 1? Yes, they could have, but of course they will not sell as many units as if they had done a brand new launch with a rebranded name, such as what they're doing right here with the Mini SE name. So definitely I think a pretty intelligent strategy from DJI, but that will be the pricing $299 for the base model. Now let's talk about, will there be a Fly More combo version of the DJI Mini SE? Because with all the electronics we get two different versions. We get the base version and then the Fly More combo, which includes a couple more batteries. Well, we have received confirmation that there will be a Fly More combo for the DJI Mini SE. Now we do have the price confirmation for one country, although we do not have it for the United States. Now we received the price confirmation for the DJI Mini SE in Mexico, and in Mexico this DJI Mini SE Fly More combo, which will most likely include two extra batteries, your probe guards, your nice little storage case or carrying case, and a couple extra little accessories, will come at a price point of $500. Now it is very important to note here that prices in Mexico are very inflated due to taxes and everything that has to do with selling the product there. So in average, products in Mexico, with all products in Mexico, they sell for 46% more than what they cost in the United States. So I will expect the Fly More combo to sit somewhere around, I will say, in a safe spot between $350 and probably $450. I think that's where the price point for the DJI Mini SE Fly More combo will be. We still don't have the price confirmed for the United States, but if you live in Mexico, well, that will be the price for you guys in Mexico, $500. So as soon as we have the price confirmed for the Fly More combo, you don't need to worry about it. We will share it here first. But definitely, I think that those are great news. $299 for the DJI Mini SE. We knew that it needed to be below $300, and well, DJI priced it right there in the edge, $299. I think this drone will sell exceptional. As soon as we have any more news, guys, you will hear them here first. That's all that I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.